Such an amazing location, part of a small settlement. As you can see over there, you've got a bit of a window, various different features, and as we head into another part of the building, and look at that there. Long abandoned settlement, and we look across the landscape today, but this settlement once was hidden within a very heavily wooded landscape. Sun's out today, taking some glory away from the film. Heading from this compound-like area, it could have been something a bit more substantial once, into the main building, and we look around and we've got a strange niche-like area over here, some kind of cupboards maybe, and we go back around. You can see sort of some architectural changes. That over there looks like some kind of blockage, and you've got the window on that side. It's absolutely fascinating that there's these abandoned settlements up and down the valleys. The location actually is north, several miles north of Glantawe, and it's just so picturesque here. There are a number of other sites like this within this sort of valley, and from what I understand from my own travels as an archaeologist in the Rhondda Bach and places like Orkney and Shetland, you see structures which are referred to as click mills, which are associated with watercourses like this. You can imagine the amount of power that this would have generated. Click mill is a horizontal type mill, a small scale mill, and you can imagine the amount of, again, focus of energy and the ability to grind grain. And if this site itself was utilised today, you'd be able to, well, your utilities would be sorted out. You'd have enough electricity, and you'd also have enough water. So the only other thing you need then is food, and you've got your heat from the electricity, so it's probably a perfect location actually, and it's quite sheltered even today. It's Karl-James Langford for Archaeology Cymru. Love to come out.